Are you planning to attend NMC? Do you struggle at math? What if we have a solution for you?
I know what you're thinking. Why should you take this course instead of Algebra 2 or at all? Well, some examples would be
They gain a better understanding about real-world problems.
And gain a new perspective in quantitative reasoning.
with them further exposure to new ideas and mathematical concepts.
And what about the fact that you get to skip the math placement test?
And automatically replaced in Math 132 at NMC.
Suppose you are driving 60 miles per hour and you take your eyes off the road for 4 seconds. How many feet will you travel in that time? What's the first step? John.
Since the unit we're looking for is in feet, we have to put in account that there are 5,280 feet in 1 mile.
Next. Luke.
Now we create a chain of ratios to cancel all other units. So the next ratio would be the speed we are going, which is 60 miles per hour.
Next. Jayan.
The next thing that we need to do is cancel out the hour. So we multiply that with 1 hour every 60 minutes, or 1 hour over 60 minutes.
Next. Jason.
Now we need to cancel out the unit of minutes, so the next ratio will be the amount of seconds in 1 minute, and that will be 1 minute over 60 seconds.
What else? Run.
Now we can multiply all the numerators across the top.
Ian.
Multiply the denominators across all the bottom.
Okay. Next. Romano.
Now we simplify.
Next. Read.
Now multiply by the seconds when we're looking at the row, which is 4.
And now Tana.
After multiplying, it's revealed that we went 352 feet in 4 seconds, the 4 seconds that we weren't looking at the road.
Awesome job, guys. With everyone's participation and discussion, we're able to solve this problem.
What you just saw was a representation of the type of problem situations we just faced in this class.
As well as the way this course is respected to content as a class.
What did you think of the class when you first heard of it?
I thought CPMQ would be difficult.
Because it will talk about college concepts.
I thought the class would be hard for me and I'd struggle to understand the content.
But as time passed by, I realized that it's not that bad. At first, I was a bit intimidated.
I thought it was going to be like most math classes. Referring back to old lessons and refining previous learned skills.
But it turns out it was very different.
I'm really glad that I signed up for and stayed in this class.
It is way easier than geometry and algebra 2.
I got to learn a lot about estimating, rounding, and board problems.
Very useful and educational.
Not as difficult or scary as it seems.
helped me learn differently compared to other classes, which are almost always individual work.
Overall, it's not hard if you participate in class.
This class has far surpassed my expectations. I highly recommend incoming seniors to take this class.
Don't know what to do?
CPMQ!
Bella, 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 bella síma mær ekki alveg fædd í gær. Hún bella, 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 bella síma mær. Hún kann að flestum hlutum skil og kallar viðtalsspil. Í ástarmálum gildir aðeins forgangsrað. Ég ætti best að vita það. Í fyrirjátt sem fegur alla út hún slær. Hún bella, bella, bella síma mær. Halló, halló, já hvað heitið þér, hvað viljið þið mér, ég þekki þið nú. Halló, halló.